Starting around 05 August 2023, Theta organization explicitly is exchanging at 75 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.36% in kind of most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Theta essentially has a for the most part complete market cap of $749,685,393, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,405,487, or so they thought. This generally makes Theta organization, Theta, beautiful positioning at 54 in the digital currency market, and in every practical sense, huge way. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2023. What will Theta organization basically be exceptionally worth in 2023? Which explicitly is genuinely critical. Is Theta organization a kind of wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner? Will Theta value sort of outperform its unequaled high, which explicitly is very huge? These for the most part are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, or so they by and large thought. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023. As per the Theta organization conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Theta cost essentially is supposed to in a real sense cross a normal value level of 91 cents. The normal pretty least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the especially current year ought to sort of be 87 cents in every way that really matters, huge way. Besides, Theta can generally arrive at a very greatest value level of 99 cents. So Theta for the most part has a kind of complete market cap of $749,685,393, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,405,487, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Theta value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Theta organization certainly is estimated to be at around a base worth of 73 cents. Showing how Theta really has a truly complete market cap of $749,685,393, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,405,487, which in a real sense is very huge. The Theta organization value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a kind of limit of 82 cents, with the in every way that really matters normal exchanging worth of 80 cents in United States dollars, which is genuinely huge. Theta organization value expectation September 2023. Theta organization cost basically is supposed to for the most part reach between 79 cents to 86 cents in September 2023, while the truly normal cost of Theta for the September explicitly remains around 82 cents. Theta organization, Theta, value estimate October 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for October 2023 may basically arrive at a very least worth of 81 cents, while the greatest gauge cost is around 90 cents, exhibiting how these in every practical sense are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, or so they fundamentally thought. The exceptionally normal cost for Theta especially is explicitly anticipated to for the most part reach 84 cents in October 2023 amazingly. Theta value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Theta organization basically is determined to truly be at around a truly least worth of 84 cents, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Theta organization value worth can basically arrive at a sort of limit of 95 cents, with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of 87 cents in United States dollars in a sort of significant way. Theta organization, Theta, value estimate December 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for December 2023 may truly arrive at a truly least worth of 87 cents, while the in every way that really matters most extreme determined cost certainly is around 99 cents amazingly. The kind of typical cost for Theta really is essentially anticipated to reach 91 cents in December 2023. Theta organization certainly passed value examination in the specific beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been certainly diminished by 2.23% in its certainly current worth in a significant manner. Assuming we especially think about the for the most part current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap by and large is additionally down, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta organization especially is confronting a truly tough time jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins incredibly. The Theta generally is down to nearly 6.82% in the truly most recent 7 days. Or so they really thought. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for commonly beyond couple of days. The coin could truly have serious areas of strength for essentially yet. We don't actually imagine that it would a productive resource in every practical sense, present moment. Which all things considered, shows that Theta organization value expectation September 2023, Theta organization cost really is supposed to explicitly reach between 79 cents to 86 cents in September 2023, while the extremely normal cost of Theta for the September in a real sense stays around 82 cents. Theta organization, Theta, value estimate October 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for October 2023 may in a real sense arrive at a truly least worth of 81 cents, while the kind of greatest determined cost generally is around 90 cents, exhibiting how these certainly are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future in a significant manner. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta by and large diminished by 35.260%. Wiping out an incredible certainly normal amount of 41 cents from its for the most part current worth, which truly is very huge. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a kind of good, certainly purchase an open door for pretty speedy speculation, which essentially is very critical. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 28.87%. And the cost explicitly coursed from a very least typical cost of 97 cents to for the most part greatest pretty normal cost of $1.06 in the in every way that really matters recent days. So Theta value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Theta organization basically is determined to in every practical sense be at around a kind of least worth of 84 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization in a real sense is somewhere near 0.57%, with the really greatest typical cost of the coin in every way that really matters was around 78 cents. And the by and large least beautiful typical cost of generally was around 76 cents in sort of beyond 4 months in a kind of enormous manner. Theta organization value conjecture 2023 facts. What will truly be Theta organization worth in 2023? The Theta cost generally is gauged to explicitly arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 99 cents, with certainly least cost of 87 cents, toward the finish of 2023. So Theta organization for the most part is confronting an essentially difficult time jumping aboard, with kind of other crypto coins, in a kind of huge manner. Does Theta organization explicitly have a future in an unpretentious manner? As far as value, Theta organization by and large has an exceptional certainly potential to explicitly arrive at new levels, or so they basically thought. It fundamentally is gauged that Theta will increment in esteem, showing how the in every practical sense normal cost for Theta basically is generally anticipated to essentially reach 84 cents in October 2023, or so they certainly thought. As per quite certain specialists and business examiners,